The Thermal Collection was created with the intention to help fatigued skin in need of deeper detoxification. Dr. Lucchetti wanted to incorporate a treatment that went further for people who suffer from dull, tired skin. By incorporating dragon fruit extract, this collection harnesses a rich source of antioxidants to promote skin regeneration and proper skin function, coupled with a 0.25mm microneedle roller to aid in the absorption of product and stimulate cellular regeneration. Begin with a microneedle roller. Known for its amazing benefits on the skin, the microneedle roller helps trigger the stimulation of fibroblasts and other collagen-producing cells beneath the skin. Gently roll along your skin's surface to stimulate your skin's regenerative process. This creates small pathways for ingredients to effectively penetrate your skin. You might experience light redness and sensitivity directly after use, but this is normal and should subside shortly after. Next, apply the Detoxifying Thermal Mask, a unique formula that activates a warming sensation when placed on the skin. Arnica montana flower extract combined with dragon fruit help aid in this warming effect to open pores and detoxify the skin. To increase the heating intensity, apply a few drops of the Perfecting Facial Serum and massage in gentle circular motions. This will intensify the mask. Leave on for 15 minutes and rinse off with warm water. Once skin is dry, apply the Perfecting Facial Serum. This restorative concentrate contains a blend of peptides, hyaluronic acid, and dragon fruit extract to reinforce the protective surface of the skin and aid in its natural recovery process. If using alone, apply 2 to 3 drops of the solution onto your fingertips. Then evenly distribute over entire face by gently patting the solution until fully absorbed. Finally, use the Corrective Facial Cream. Apply an even layer onto your entire face and neck. Massage gently in circular motions until fully absorbed. This cream, formulated with vitamin E, conditions the skin in preparation for the day, restoring vital nutrients for a renewed and radiant complexion. Reinvigorate and restore your skin's vitality with the Thermal Collection. VouPre by Dr. Lucchetti. Elevate your skincare.